Hi, I wanted to demonstrate the importance of alignment and exactly what that is and how you can use it to make all of your work much cleaner right away. Um, so what I've done here, I've kind of replicated where these guidelines are, but if I were to create something, a box, let's say, it's going to delete one. It's going to provide that for me. All right. And that's how you're going to keep things really clean. So you can see in places that it's not aligned, and you can find grids like this in Keynote, um, Illustrator. Most any application is going to provide you with grids as you're making it. You can either sometimes show them or not show them. In this particular application, I can show this layout grid if I want. I can show another type like this. Okay, and all these are really helpful to you, and it shouldn't be overwhelming because, like I said, it's going to show up in your particular application as you're building. But if you do that, if you align these things even a little bit, even if you're off a little, it's still going to look better. So you can see I have margins. This is a mood board that has 3 different moods. And so I have something that separates them, right, a little bit more here, but they're closer together here. And this is the same as this, same width. All right, that's really important. And I've kept it the same all the way across. And these should be the same. It's just slightly off here, but like I said, even if it's a little off, it's going to be better than if you didn't use one. So let's say you have some horizontals, some verticals, they're still going to align, and you're still going to have the same space between the images. All right, I hope that that makes sense for you. Usually what you can do is simply duplicate, something, and that will do, or you could do, 2 and duplicate those with a, Command CV, and there you are for copy paste. All right, so I hope that that helps. Please notice there's a margin all the way around anything that you do in design, generally speaking, and that's going to keep things clean also. I have a margin also all the way around the text, and it's the same, and that would be the same over here. All right, and you stay with one font if you're doing something like this. When you're making a website or something, you can have 2. You can have a different font for headers, but basically, I mean, it'd be fine if you wanted to use one font here for header that said, board 1 or board 2 or something like that. But essentially, you're going to use one font that's easy to read, and that is the same here, here, and here. Okay. So that's how you align things to make them look good on a page. This, like I said, is more of a mood board. It has more images than you would probably put on, say, a website. A website, you might, 3 or 4 of your best work. And if you have another skill set, maybe you have a header here and another 3 for that. All right, but grids are really important. It's called alignment. Make sure you align everything. All right, great. Good luck.